What is up, guys? This is BC Gaming here. How y'all doing today? I'm doing pretty good. I'm here today going to do a quick tutorial on how to make your thumbnails glow. Well, at least the text anyway. I'm going to do a quick tutorial. It's not going to take long at all. I'm going to get through it pretty quick here. Show you exactly how to do this one exact thing. That's how to make your text glow. The writing on your thumbnail glow. Now, I'm gonna bring up something I brought from... Oh, by the way, before I start, if you liked the video, make sure you smash the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And go and subscribe if you haven't. And make sure you hit the notification bell for more new videos like this that are coming out very soon. Alright, now let's go to... Now, this is also with GIMP, by the way. It's been using GIMP. I don't have Adobe Premiere or Photoshop or any of that kind of stuff. So, I'm poor, so I use GIMP. It's free. Alright, let's go to open as layers. I'm gonna bring up a now I made this on Placeit. It's a website. You pay thing. I only use Placeit for a few things, for making certain animations. I used it for one Medieval Dynasty video where a thing came up said rage. I did another. I used it for my simple how-to thumbnails because they're kind of eye-catchy, and I mean it's easier than trying to make custom thumbnails. I'll still make my thumbnails for the gaming videos I do, like the last one I did with the Maneater. And with my scrap mechanic videos I've been doing, I make those custom completely by myself. This is specifically to show you guys how to make your text glow. First, we're going to start with Alpha here. Now, in one of the last videos, I think 2 videos ago, we went through fonts. So I'm going to use something that's glowy. I should have found me like a nice neon text to use. Be right back, guys. But find me a good text to use. Now, I haven't tried doing this with these types of hollow colors yet, so this might be interesting. First things, okay, now we're going to get a new layer. Hit OK. Bring this layer down in between your text and your picture, just like in the transparent logo video I did. All right. Let's see. We're doing the color and the borders and stuff. All right, now we're going to output to selection. Now let's select and grow. We're gonna do just a 3. We're gonna make it now we're gonna make bucket fill it to white or any very bright color. White is just a good way to start it. Nope, wrong. I messed up. Let me make sure I'm clicking on the right layer here. Okay, this text isn't gonna work. There it is. That's what I'm looking for. Wow, it looks like that, but I don't know. Get bigger, please. Get big. There we go. Make it turquoise. Alright, now that's what I'm looking for more like. We can actually do some stuff with that. Okay. Alpha to selection. Select. Row. 3. Bucket fill with white. Edit. Undo. Make sure you click on that little empty layer. There we go. Going to go to filters. Make sure you're clicked on that empty layer. Going to go to blur. Gaussian blur. Hit OK. Now, I think we can do this with this one as well. Go filters, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Now, here's what we're going to do. We want to put a new layer in. In fact, what we're going to do is we're going to do this. We're going to merge this one down. Put this layer in between here. Going to select, alpha to selection. I'm going to select grow. A little bit bigger this time. Actually, the same size, I think. And this time we're going to go with turquoise fill, the same color as the text. Actually, you know what? Let's do something crazy. Something bright and pinkish. I'm thinking like a neon color pink. Ooh, there we go. Okay. Bucket fill. Make sure we're on an empty layer. There we go. Here we go. We're going to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. Now, rinse and repeat here. Select. I'm gonna merge this down. A new layer. Hit OK. I think you know where we're going with this. Now we're gonna make this white. Select. Grow. A little bit bigger this time. And we're going to bucket fill with white. Now, this should work. Gaussian blur. Okay. Select none. How does that look? Is that glowy? I mean, Alright, guys, I'm back. I'm using another font I used before. It's called Dragon Ball. And I've got here, I think it looks pretty good for this. There's a couple different things we can do to make this glow. You can either do what we did before, you select, make it bigger and you add a Gaussian blur, or you can do something like this. We're going to still put in a new layer. Okay. Drop it down like we did before. Alpha 2 selection. We're going to go to select border. And I'm going to choose I don't want that big. Maybe a 5. Border style smooth is also feathered. Let's see what feathered looks like. Okay. Oh, but first we forgot to do something here. Shoot. Damn it. Now we can do it. Okay. Alpha 2 selection. Select. Okay, now we can do border. We'll do feathered. We'll go with white bucket fill. Like that. That's one way you can do it. And then select none. And we can still do this. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. And we'll do the same thing with this here. Filters, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. That's pretty glowy right there, right? We can try some other things too. We can let's try. I mean, that's pretty bright to me, but let's try some other stuff here. Select sharpen feather. Row. Do 5. We'll border it with let's just border it with pink this time, and then we'll do white. Wait, what? Okay. Anyways, bucket fill. Okay. And now we're going to do filters, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. Make sure this is also blurred. Filters, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. It's starting to meld in now. Now we're going to merge these down. And we're going to add a new layer. New layer. Okay. Bring you down. Alpha to select the text layer. There we go. We're going to select row. Same amount. This time we will do white. And bucket fill in the spot. Make sure you clicked on the empty layer so it does it right. And there we go. And from here, before we do anything, we can actually move this around. Like maybe like a little bit like that. Give some depth. Some character or something, whatever you call it. Now we're going to filter it. Blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. Okay. Make sure this layer is still blurred some more. Maybe filter, blur it, Gaussian blur it again. And there's some new popping stuff there. It's like none. And that's nice and glowy. And you can also do situations where you take say your main color and it add in like some pink. There's a way to make that really on the pink part, on the middle line, make it really pop out. I have to remember how to do that. I thought I did, but apparently it's there. It looks nice. There's certain ways to alter the Gaussian blur to make it to where it all looks nice and big and shiny for neon and stuff like that. But I think this can be it right here, guys. Some basic introduction into how to make your basic text and other images, even your logos, give it that nice glow and nice, it pops on your thumbnail. Anyways, guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you smack the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. You're almost to 50 subscribers. I know that's pretty sad, making for 50 subscribers at this point. But, hey, I'm just doing it for fun. Anyways, guys, y'all have an awesome day.